Most people get Stoicism completely wrong. They think being Stoic means being emotionless, cold, or just accepting whatever life throws at them. That's not Stoicism, that's misery. Real Stoicism makes you stronger, calmer, and unstoppable. But if you're making these three mistakes, you're actually holding yourself back instead of leveling up. Let's fix that right now. Stoicism isn't about sitting in a cave, feeling nothing, and letting life beat you up. It's about power. Power over your emotions, power over your reactions, power over your mind. The problem? Too many people misunderstand it. So today, I'm breaking down 3 massive mistakes fake Stoics make, and what you should do instead to truly master this philosophy. Mistake 1: suppressing emotions instead of understanding them. A lot of people think being Stoic means shutting down emotions. Don't feel sad, don't feel angry, don't feel anything. That's nonsense. Marcus Aurelius felt everything. He had doubts, grief, frustration, but he didn't let those emotions control him. Epictetus didn't say, ignore emotions. He said, understand them, control them, use them. If you suppress emotions, guess what happens? They build up, and one day they explode. You ever see someone who pretends they're calm, but then snaps over something small? That's not Stoicism. That's emotional time bomb mode. When you feel angry, sad, or frustrated, don't push it away. Observe it, question it, own it. Ask yourself, is this helping me or is this controlling me? Instead of reacting instantly, pause, take a breath, then respond intentionally. True Stoicism isn't about feeling less, it's about feeling wisely. Mistake 2: thinking Stoicism means being cold and distant. You ever meet someone who claims they're Stoic but acts like a robot? They don't show affection, they don't care about anyone, they just say, I'm detached. That's not Stoicism, that's just being an asshole. Marcus Aurelius loved deeply. He wrote about his friends, his mentors, even strangers he met. Seneca believed in kindness and connection. Stoicism doesn't mean don't care. It means care without attachment. Love people. But don't be dependent on them for happiness. Be kind even when others aren't. That's your standard, not theirs. Accept that relationships are temporary, but that doesn't make them meaningless. A true Stoic connects with others, but isn't ruled by them. Mistake 3: thinking Stoicism means accepting everything and doing nothing. Everything happens for a reason, so I just have to accept it. Wrong. A lot of people use Stoicism as an excuse to do nothing, to stay stuck, to be passive. But Marcus Aurelius was a warrior and an emperor. He made decisions every day. He took action. Epictetus was a slave who didn't just accept his fate. He transformed his mind and changed his life. If you can change something, do it. If you can't change something, don't just sit there. Adapt, learn, and keep moving. Every obstacle is a test. Are you gonna pass it or just sit there? A true Stoic doesn't just accept life, they shape it. Let's recap. 1. Don't suppress your emotions. Understand them and control them. 2. Don't be cold. Connect with people, but don't depend on them. 3. Don't just accept life. Take action where you can and adapt where you can't. When you practice Stoicism the right way, you become unstoppable. You stop being controlled by emotions, by other people, by things outside your control. You become the master of your own mind. If this video made you rethink Stoicism, hit that like button. It helps more people find this message. And if you're serious about leveling up your mind and life, subscribe, because I've got a lot more coming. Now tell me in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you face when trying to stay Stoic? Let's talk about it. See you in the next one.